So I had a red day today, and I just wanted to come on here because I had this like really crazy revelation that I think will help you a ton, especially if you're a trader that has red days, which I think everybody does. This applies to everybody. That I should either check myself into a mental institution or I should click that record button and share this with you guys. Um, simply put, I had a red day. The market just did not have any follow through. Hit a little bit of my setups, a couple trades, but just no follow through. Just very choppy and just not a great trading day. That's simply put how it was. But when I was sitting here, old me when I was having these red days would just be super pissed off, revenge trading, over trading, trying to get to the point where I could at least possibly end the day green, something crazy like that. And I quickly understood. I started getting goosebumps. I was like, why am I getting goosebumps with a red day? Why am I getting goosebumps on a major failure that most people would just hate to go through? And I thought, it's because my why is fucking huge. It's because my why is so freaking strong. One red day is nothing. Most people, when they have these red days, when they trade or when they learn to trade or when they want to become a trader full time, they have these red days and they really question if this is all worth it. That didn't come in my mind. What came in my mind is, well, what can I learn so that way I can just grow exponentially and never have to go through this again. And the thought of growing in that growth phase and getting to the point where I can retire my family, I can retire myself, I can go on and do whatever the heck I want to do with my significant other and just love life and experience what life has to offer. What's this red day really do? Like, what is this in the grand scheme of things? It's for me to learn so I can get to that point. But most people, when they go through these red days, they have such a weak why they overtrade. Because I did. They have such a weak why they freaking go crazy, throwing crazy lot sizes just to try to end the day green when they just put themselves worse. But I did too. I did all that. So I want to come on here just to tell you all, you're going to have these red days. You're going to go, and that's just with life. You're going to have red days in life. You're going to have red days in trading. You're going to have red days in whatever the heck you want to do, whatever you aspire to do. But listen, as long as your why is something that you can latch onto in the times of your lowest points in life, you can literally grow and do whatever the heck you want to freaking do. So many people, they put all these arbitrary goals onto themselves when they try to learn how to trade. Oh, if I can just make 1% a day, I'm going to be good. If I can make just $500 a day, $50 a day, I'll be great. That is such a weak why. And I promise you, every single one of those people, the people that have those arbitrary, financial type of goals, they're going to fail. You're not going to become profitable. You're not going to be this person that you wish to be as a trader. Instead, just follow your rules. Have a set of rules and be disciplined to those rules. And even if you end the day red because you know those rules are profitable long term, you're fine. That's what you need to focus on as a trader, and that's what you need to focus on to build that mental discipline that it takes to be a long-term profitable trader. And the last thing I want to talk about is when you are going through these red days, what is really important to you? What's the most important thing to you when it comes to trading? Just ask yourself, be very honest, because you may find out trading isn't for you. You may find out that it is just about money. It's not about something bigger than money, my life, my family, whatever. It may not be that. It may just be that selfish thing for money. Money isn't a bad thing. Having motivations for money is a bad thing, but if you go down this cycle of constantly worrying about money for trading, trading just may not be for you. Trading may just not be the vehicle that gets to your end destination. That's totally fine, man. Like, if you want to go, rock climbing or you want to climb a mountain, you might want to take a Jeep or something instead of a freaking sports car, a Lamborghini, right? This may not be the right path for your vehicle, and that's totally fine. The thing is, you need to find that with yourself because you may be wasting your time, and time is the most precious, valuable asset in this world, and you may be wasting it and you don't even know it because you see people on TikTok and Instagram and YouTube and all these places flashing all these P&Ls and all this money. But I promise you, dude, I promise you, so many of those people are either artificial, so many of those people are probably faking it, so many of those people are probably actually down really bad and just showing you the wins. There's very little that it's in that crowd that's actually making it in life. I can almost guarantee you that. I can't guarantee anything in life, but I can almost guarantee you that. So I just want to come on here and make this really quick video that I promise you will become a successful trader if you just stick with it, stick with your rules, Throw all that arbitrary daily goal garbage out the window and only focus on your rules, what you want to do as a trader, who you want to be as a trader, what type of trader do you want to be, and just follow that every single day. Screw the green and red days. As long as you have more green than red and you're profitable long term, screw that. Screw the win rates. Screw all that stuff, because as long as you are profitable, your wins are outweighing your losses, you will become a successful trader. So I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, drop a like for somebody out there and share with somebody else that may be having a hard time trading as well. And drop me a subscribe, because I'm going to drop all kinds of amazing content around trading on this channel. Love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. As always, never let anyone tell you that you can't do something they have never done themselves. And I will see you later.